Hey guys, welcome to Florida Boating Adventures. God, it's so good to be back. We haven't done this in a while. And in fact, the reason why is, I don't know if you guys remember our last normal episode back in July of 2020. We were in the midst of COVID-19. Well, we had taken our old Bayliner 185 to the shop. We had engine problem, and it actually had water that had gotten into the engine. I made a deal with the mechanic there, and he took it in as a mechanic special. With the money I made out of that boat, I actually found an interesting deal last week over Facebook, and so we needed to go down all the way down to Cape Coral. That was the only thing about it, that we had to travel about 3.5 hours from where we're at here in Florida, and look at the boat and see how it was. It's in great condition. It was just, needed a little TLC, and we brought it back, and I'm going to show you exactly what we're doing with it. Obviously it was dirty. It had been out there for about 1.5 years or so. So it was very dirty, cobwebs all over the place, but I saw a lot of potential, and obviously for the money, it's basically what I ended up selling the boat for, which I bought this one for. So it was perfect, and I couldn't find that deal nowhere down in South Florida and Miami, because prices have skyrocketed down here for boating. So it's been crazy, but we found that in the West Coast, and so we're working on a boat. Let me show you what I'm doing. Okay, so we brought the boat from Cape Coral, and it was a mess as far as it being dirty, but I just pressure washed it, then cleaned it again with degreaser, and it looks a whole lot better. It was really bad. I'm going to give you an example of an area that I haven't done yet. Look at this. The entire boat was like this. See that? That's the way it was. And pressure washed it and cleaned pretty much everything. I got a few little areas back there I still need to do. The only thing is, now the boat's been out there for about 1.5 years, they said. Still got to clean here. Look, that's the GPS antenna, or the Garmin system that it came with. It's a 20th anniversary trophy from Bayliner, but the finish is dull. It's been out here so long. So now what I'm going to do is take some time just to go ahead and polish it, and to be able to do that, I'm going to go ahead and sand it with a 2000 grip sandpaper first, and that's wet sand. And then once I do that, we're gonna get the shine back on this baby here, and we're gonna get this going. So anyways, that's what I wanted to go ahead and show you real quick. Also painted the bottom side, and I just finished doing that. We painted the bottom just to make sure that that it's nice and painted, and the painting, the bottom paint was bad, so we did that. I just did it a day or so ago. And so I'm going to start working on the actual bringing back this to life again. Alright guys, I just finished doing the sanding. And so what I did is I got a 2000 grip paper, used any simple Ryobi sander, and I've already done this part. And I've already showed you how dull the finish is, but look at it at the end. I don't know if you can get it on if you can see it on camera, but it's nice and shiny. The way I did that was, number one, to do it 2000 grit, and then I'll tell you what, I've tried everything from 3M products as far as compound rubbing. I got this McGuire Professional Ultra Cut compound, that didn't do it. We got the Star Bright liquid rubbing compound. That didn't do it. Believe it or not, the best thing I found on the market is cheap. You get it in AutoZone. You'll get it at Discount Auto Parts, any of those. Meguiar's Ultimate Compound for cars. All right, so far, this is the best stuff that we've used so far. And look how it's left it. And I haven't even started doing the polish yet, and I still got to do the wax. So I'm gonna show you how to do that real quick. It's not that it was in bad shape, it was just dirty. So it had been, had been there for a while. So all of this is basically putting a little bit of true love into it, and a little love and care. And the engine is great. It's got a cabin, so we're gonna start doing the actual compound polish, and then we're gonna do polish, and then finally we're gonna finish doing it by waxing everything. So I don't want to take so much time, just to show you exactly what we're doing before we actually go out. All right, so real quick, all you need to do is get basically any machine. There's a lot of polishers out there. I got this orbital polish that I got at the local hardware store, okay, out of Spark. Put a little bit of this stuff, all right. I usually put like a circular motion on it, and then before starting the machine, because if you turn it on, it'll spread all over the place. So I'll just go ahead and do about 2 feet at a time, 2 square feet at a time. And this is what I'm going to do. Concentrate in this area and let the machine do the work. So a little bit of force on it, but the actual liquid has already a grid that will polish itself. It'll polish the surface. So what I like to do is I go up and down, up and down, up and down, up and down, and then side to side within those 2 to 4 foot square area. So look at this, guys. Focus here first. Look at this. So once I start getting this out of the way, look at this. You start seeing the shine. And it's back to life. Look at this. This boat has been out there for 2.5 years or whatever. And I went to look at it just to make sure. And my wife was like, man, this is a piece of trash. It's dirty, and it's cow webs, spider webs. But I don't know what to look for when you're buying a boat. And the first thing was the engine, and the engine was great, in great shape. Just a little TLC, true love and care. Look at this, guys. Engine's coming to life. The whole boat just like this, all the way down. I would say about 2 foot or 2 at a time, square foot, and that'll do it for you. That's it. All right, so guys, this is our first run, and we finished the boat already. It's nice and shiny. I don't know if you guys can tell, but we did the best we could, and we left it. Well, I left the actual body looking nice and shiny again. We restored it, and so basically we are ready to set sail. This is going to be our first adventure, so we've been kind of getting ready early, and so we're set. And so now we're going to go ahead and head out to the marina, guys. All right, so we're out here having some fun. It's been a while. Say hi, guys. There's Crystal. There's Christine. Say hi, Christine. Say hi, Christine. Christine is shy. Having some hamburgers that we're cooking. A lot of sailboats out here, but also it's lobster mini season, so all that over there is full of boats over there under the bridge, and everywhere there's boats with
I do.
the diverse flag. We got one. Look, guys, there's people right there around the rocks. You see? You guys want to check and see if we find some lobsters on this rock over here?
Yeah.
Let's try it before we leave.
Hey, everybody.
There's Lynette.
Hi.
And there's Crystal, two of the twins. We decided to take a little break. We don't have the right equipment to do the lobsters. We need flippers and all that. And so anyway, the girls wanted, because this is the first outing in such a long time. Anyways, the girls decided to just relax a little bit. We came to this little island here, right by downtown. So we're just gonna stay here for a bit and I guess call it a day. We'll cruise around a little bit and then you know, head home. And I think it's been a nice day and it's been a successful day. Really, it's our first run and the engine's running great. The boat's running in great shape. So we're happy. We're back and we're gonna bring some more episodes. So that's coming up, guys. Hey, we want to thank you guys for being subscribers and staying tuned and just having patience with us. And we're definitely going to bring a lot more episodes your way. Hey, thanks a lot. God bless you. Bye.